Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to return back the junk mail button after version 4.1.13 of the Helpdesk plugin. Okay, so let's go to our demo server and see how it could be done. Alright, so when you go to a normal Helpdesk ticket, we see that the junk mail button is not appearing. Okay, so to return it back, please go to the administration that is on the top right corner and then go to the Helpdesk. Okay, so here we are. Now go to the link on the top and after the Redmine contacts Helpdesk, please write slash and then hidden true. Sorry, there should be an exclamation mark here. Yeah, so exclamation mark hidden true. So when you enter this, then there will be a new tab, hidden settings. So please click on it and there will be enable the junk mail button. So please enable this and apply. When you apply the changes, then the tab is automatically hidden again. So if you would like to access it again, you have to repeat these steps. So yeah, let's refresh this page. And we see that the junk mail button has just appeared now. So the feature has come back. Alright, and if we want to turn the feature off again, then as I have said, we have to repeat the settings again. So we enable the hidden tab and then disable the feature and apply the changes. Okay, so when we return back to the ticket and refresh it again, the junk mail button will vanish. So it is no more appearing. Alright, so I hope this video was good for you and helpful for you. And if you like it, please check some other videos and articles from our documentation of the Helpdesk plugin. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this again, and bye bye for now.